Are you ready to master a classic pathology puzzle? Hi friends, welcome back to Insightful You, your go-to channel for medical concepts explained simply. Today we'll tackle a classic that confuses many in pathology. White versus red thrombi. Ready? Let's make it super simple, cheerful. Let's jump in. First, what's a thrombus? Think of a thrombus as a blood clot forming inside your blood vessel. Imagine your vessels as highways. When an accident happens, traffic stops or slows. Sometimes the blockage is mostly platelets, sometimes mostly red blood cells, and that difference matters. Let's look at each type, white thrombus and red thrombus, with easy analogies. A white thrombus is rich in platelets and fibrin. It forms in fast-flowing arteries. Think high-speed rivers and flood. Why white? Platelets are pale and there are few red cells trapped. Common locations, heart or arteries. Think heart attack or ischemic stroke. Analogy, spill glue on a running tap. Only the sticky stuff clumps at the start. That's platelets and fibrin. Easy, right? A red thrombus is packed with red blood cells. It forms in slow-flowing veins, like a lazy village river. Why red? Because lots of trapped RBCs give it a red appearance under the microscope. Typical locations, deep veins in legs, and these can embolize to the lungs. Analogy, spill glue in a stagnant pond. Everything sticks. Leaves, twigs, mud. Here, everything means RBCs. Here's a trick to remember. White, arteries, fast platelets, red, veins, slow, RBCs, fast highway, small cars, slow road, big trucks. Visualize flow to pick the type. Why does this matter? White thrombi can cause sudden arterial blockages, think heart attacks and strokes. Red thrombi cause DVTs and can travel to the lungs as pulmonary emboli, a major clinical risk. Quick tip, ask, is the blood moving fast or slow? That often answers which type you're dealing with. That's the gist. Simple but exam friendly. Drop your questions and suggestions below. That's it. Like, share, and subscribe for more Med Easy explanations. Happy studying. See you next time.